What's up guys, I'm using Marina Vape's alternative line to help you guys figure out lassos today. So to start off, you want a good consistent O, and then the second O is jaw popped. So to jaw pop, you take a light mouth hit and release the O with your tongue and jaw. Put it right into the center and chase it down. It should lasso if you popped it through the right part. If you got it off to the side, it'll go that way, but you can always try again. Just work really hard on getting good consistent O's and then jaw popping the second one. Targeting is everything. Let's get a little bit more of that in there. Ah, yeah. The menthol in this is amazing. Making sure that that first O is consistent is probably the biggest key. If you got jaw pops down, you're gonna get this. So that's it, fam. Hopefully you guys get them lassos down nice and clean. Tag me in your videos if you get them. Peace.